Ganda?
Yeah.
Ganda.
Look, I can put my lip on.
Look at this girl. Ganda?
I can't see myself. Look, it's just my eyes.
Tas yung window ni Georgie. Ganda.
Yeah, so lucky. I'm so lucky.
Hi guys, so naka-unpack na tayo lahat, no? So ito dito yung mga damit ko. So yun yung ating damitan dyan. Tapos kay Mr. dito sa kabila, ang dami, very spacious yung wardrobe nila. So dyan ko nilagay yung yung luggage, tapos yung knicker sa ilalim. Ayan. Tapos ito na yung bed namin. Inayos ko guys kasi dito talaga pag mga ganitong caravan, hindi talaga complete as a hotel. So kailangan magbitbit ka ng sarili mong bedsheet, pillow cover, pillowcase, ganyan. Tapos blanket. Tapos check natin yung room ni Georgie. Ayan. Siya yung nag-ayos ng bedroom niya. Ba't ang tak? Damit niya nandoon. Paano niya maabot yun? So, ayan. Tingnan mong bitbit niya. May book siya. Oh, may lip balm pa siya. Oh. Dior lip balm. Ayan. Yes, yun yung mga damit niya. Tapos sa toilet, all the toiletries is all ayos na. Kasi yung mag-ama ko nanood ng TV. There they are, relaxing.
Best of luck. Let's race.
So yung fridge, so ayan na yung bit-bit naming food. Ayan. Tapos dinala ko yung saging. So, ito na yun. Food. Ayan. There's coffee. So now, time to relax. Agad tayo. Ang ganda ng location na kuha namin ay caravan guys. Tapos, for staying here for 7 days, ang binayaran namin is 1,180 pound. So, mura na siya kaysa mag-hotel kami. Tapos, at least pwede kami magluto. So, hi guys.
Hi. It's been such a long day that I'm tired out.
Why? Why you're tired?
Because it's been a long day.
Long drive, no? Okay, come on. Hi guys. After me mag-coffee, nag-decide namin ay mag-walk around. Tingnan namin yung paligid. Tapos nag-book kasi si Mr. ng sa restaurant. Doon na kami mag-dinner. Paano ako magluto ngayong gabi. So, ayan. Share ko sa inyo yung kapaligiran. So, yan yung caravan namin. So, ito yung likod. Oh. O, diba? Ayun na yung mag-ama ko. Iniwan na ako. Hurry up! Uy, sun pala to, uy. Malamig yung hangin, guys. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Oh, tingnan nyo yung windmill. Wow! Nice! Stay there, I'll take a photo. So, ayan yung Crazy Golf, guys. Ayan, no, I'm talking to myself. And then the aerial activity. And then, swimming pool is that way. Yeah. And then, ayan yung... What you call it, Daddy? Daddy, what you call that one?
What?
What you call this bike?
I don't know.
Oh, you're going tomorrow, Georgie? I think you can do it by yourself.
No, I'm going to go with one of us.
So for toddlers.
That's archery. We're not doing archery.
Activity range.
It really hurts my hands when I do hockey.
Yeah.
These spots on my hands when I do hockey.
Yeah, we're not doing archery.
And this is the park where kids can play.
stay that way.
Tabno.
There's the bungee area, Georgie.
Where's the bungee?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not big compared in Weymouth, no?
Yeah, mommy, look.
Well, this week. These are all the activities. They got cash bingo, Daddy. Oh.
Outdoor stage, 11:30 to 1. Live entertainment, 2:45. Charlotte Sayre vocalists.
Makiat si Georgie, oh. Nandun, makiat. Ang tapang niya. Tingnan natin kung tutuloy yun. Kasi takot yun sa heights, eh.
Don't you want to go and move it? We'll do it together.
So let's just walk around and see what they've got. Can you see? What is it? Oh, I can see from here. For the whole, see,
Yeah, I'll
look.
lift you up. I'll lift you up.
See? We're being sneaky, no? Yeah.
Walk on the wood.
Yeah.
Sit at the table. We should have a coffee caravan here.
I know.
Stop! I can't keep up.
Side streets. That's the restaurant. Sorry. And they've got Burger King. And they got more.
That's where I got the milk from.
Okay. Where is she? You got that one there.
Is that what these are for? Alright, we'll just have another
Look, they got disco love. Oh, look at that song. Your dad is dancing. So, nandito na kami sa restaurant. Very busy.
And mommy always has fish and chips.
Nag-order ako ng fish and chips. Everywhere I go, I always order fish and chips. And then, Georgie doing coloring. Yeah.
Cheers. Happy holiday.
Yay.
That's mine.
Put away. That's for me.
Careful the pace line.
Alright. That's right. Yeah.
Cheers,
Oh,
buddy.
look at that. What's this? Apple crumble. What's that?
Crumble.
What are you having? Yeah, that's pathetic.
Chocolate ice cream.
Guys, that's pathetic.
That's, yeah,
One scoop?
that's what I pay for. It's only £1. Yeah, winner, chicken dinner.
Alright, give me mine.
Hang on, I can't have the same for you. Get that. Yeah, good one. Look.
Straight.
Oh, that was so close. 2,000. 1,000. Any more?
No more, wala na.
Oh, let that hold on. Press the pedal. Which colour? You want the yellow one? Press the pedal. Press the pedal. Let go.
Press.
Hello. Look up. Get your picture. Right.
Round 1.
Keep your foot on the pedal.
We'll see how good you are. Huh? Driving, huh? Move the chair, Daddy. Forward.
That's it. That's it. Go on, Georgie.
Lift up your foot yet. Come on, go.
Wow, look at that. Go on, go on. You're in third place. Come on, go.
Stop!
Turn, turn.
You're making me move!
I'm not touching you.
Yes, you are! I can feel it! I'm touching!
Turn, 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 turn.
No!
Turn, 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 turn. And again, turn, turn, turn. Oh, you got finished now.
I don't care!
That's it. That's better. That's good. Excellent. Go on, go on, go on. Yeah,
You're first.
You didn't finish yet.
The view paggabi.
Cheap as that, Burger
Yeah.
Look, Mary Poppins.
So after namin maglaro, guys, ayan, nagtapo ng pera.
They had a movie.
Panalo kami ng 500 tickets. So ngayon,
They obviously had the movie.
pauwi na kami. Ano, pahinga muna kasi ano,
That's it.
ang haba ng biyahe namin for today. Sakit ng paa ko ba. So anyway,
I see it.
ayan. See you for our next vlog.